So, what makes the most complete and powerful digital marketing platform on the planet? Let's start with simplicity, a simple, easy to use drag and drop website builder that helps bring your ideas and dreams to life. That's right, with Buildraw's state of the art responsive Cheetah Builder, your customer will experience consistency across desktop and mobile devices. The Buildraw Cheetah website builder is just one powerful tool to help make your personal or business website stand out. But when you partner it with 40 plus additional tools, you get the ability to drive results beyond what one could imagine. These fascinating and powerful standalone tools include other builders like Cheetah Funnel Builder, where you can create insane funnels that center around specific goals and niches. Webinar Builder, where you can create and monetize from your webinars and extend your reach to audiences from all over in just a few minutes. Offer on-demand functionality or take advantage of live streaming features to either YouTube or Facebook, or stream simultaneously to both. How amazing is that? What about e-learning? Build on your passion by using this easy-to-use platform to teach and create online courses that sell. With a webinar builder, you can host any virtual event. And with the Buildraw Booking Builder tool, you can help manage it. Offer and deploy the Buildraw Booking Builder to help create and manage calendars for appointments and events. Other exciting Buildraw Builder tools include the Chat Builder, Directory Builder, App Builder, E-commerce Magento, and WordPress Integration Builder. Now you know why more and more entrepreneurs are building it bigger and better with Buildraw. But what about driving traffic? Buildraw makes driving traffic easy by deploying email and engagement tools like Mailing Boss Autoresponder, where you get full email marketing and professional automation capabilities without third-party integration and additional cost. Custom email. Create email accounts and send emails that your customers can trust from professional branded accounts with your branded specific domains. Social Proof pop-up. With Social Proof, your site visitors can see conversions happening directly on your site, making them too want to join your next biggest venture. With Buildraw, you can take full control of driving traffic with additional tools like Messenger Chatbot, Website Chatbot, browser notifications, Telegram, SMS messaging, CRM, and script generator. Now this all sounds great, but you might be asking yourself, what if I'm not a very good designer? Hey, it's okay, because Buildraw offers tools to make it look like you are. So forget about hiring a professional to make you look good. Included are great designer tools to help you stand out. To help you with design and video, you have Mockup Studio, where you can create professionally looking mockups for your videos, websites, and lead magnets with just a few simple clicks. Enjoy the Video Wrapper tool that allows you to wrap content around your video to make it stand out from the competition. Magazine Builder, a perfect solution for monetizing space around a specific target or niche while including features like clickable call to actions and videos. There's a video hosting. Gain peace of mind of keeping your videos safe by hosting videos directly on Buildraw. Other fantastic designer tools include 3D Photo Editor Studio, Animated VSL Video Builder, Transparent Floating Videos, Video Tag Tool, Video Funnel Builder, Design Resource Center, where you can grab professionally designed done-for-you graphics, and a lot more. When you think you can't have more, there's Buildraw, who is always there to prove you wrong. Included are other more great tools that have truly ignited small businesses and the success of entrepreneurs just like you. There's Website Agency, Virtual Assistant Access, ShareLocker, Social Auto Post App, Instagram Autoresponder, Marketplace, Page SEO Report, ClickMap, and of course, the Funnel Club tool. Easily access 300 plus professionally designed done-for-you funnels when you upgrade to the Buildraw Funnel Club. So, which tool would you be willing to pay for to drive your business results? Buildraw makes answering this very easy, along with starting your own business. Forget about paying more and more for each additional tool you use. With Buildraw, you can have it all. So why don't you?